Kenner Street. Daisy has been here before, but I had no idea how blessed I would be to be back in Cincinnati, Ohio, on Kenner Street, where they made the Blythe dolls. Not only that, who knew I would own a Kenner Blythe doll, 3 now, and 2 of the cases. I didn't bring my case. This one belongs to my good friend Dory from Dory's Dollies, and Ayla's also here, and we have all of our little Blythes lined up.
Get in there, girls.
Come on in. Driving down Kenner Street. That's our Blythe dolls driving on Kenner Street. How fun is that? I was here last year for the BlytheCon, and I want to remind you that the BlytheCon is coming November 5th. Make your plans to attend. It's really going to be fun, but it's not going to be here. It's going to be in New Jersey, New York, New York City, New Jersey area, and you can check out more details. Look on the internet for that. Anyway, here's some more exciting news. Today, Dory and Ayla and I went to a doll show together. Wait till you see their channels and what they got. Oh my God, we got so lucky. And I want to thank Dory's Dollies. Go to her channel and subscribe, as well as Ayla's and Ayla Avar on YouTube Dolly channels. You'll love them. Thanks for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment. I mean, come on, you gotta comment about Kenner Street and subscribe.
Wait, now I want to take a picture.
Hey, now if you remember, a year ago I was here by myself with Daisy, Marna's Blythe doll, getting some pictures and video here on Kenner Street. Well, here I am now with good old Andrew. We're here supporting our wives and having a good time down here on Kenner Street. And my wife wants me to say something else or do something else. Yeah, Dory's Dollies. If you don't know it by now, this is Dory's husband, Andrew. If you don't know it by now, shame on you. Get on over to her channel, get your ass in gear, subscribe, watch, and learn something.